Hi, I am Karine Orea of Group 14, and in this video I am going to show you the steps in creating a project in Ruby. So first is you have to download and install the Ruby distribution for your platform. Install and set up RubyMine and create an empty application. So to create a Ruby program from scratch, do the following. Run RubyMine and click New Project on the welcome screen. And then in the New Project dialog, make sure that the empty project is selected on the left pane. After you've specified all the options, click Create in the New Project dialog. So here's the picture. And then to create a Ruby file, select a project root in the project tool window and press Alt Insert. In the invoked pop-up, select Ruby file class and press enter. In the invoked pop-up, specify a script name and then click OK. In the editor, insert the following code. Puts, please enter your name. Name is equals to gets.chomp. Puts hello and the name, and then I'm Ruby. So to run an application, the first press CTRL twice and type the following command: ruby script.rb, and then press enter. So in the run tool window, type any name and press enter to see a program's response. So here's the program of here's the output of what we have created. So it says please enter your name, then the entered name is JetBrains, then hello JetBrains, I'm Ruby. Then process finished, exit code is 0. So sample programs with output. So we are going to show you 3 sample programs using Ruby, and first is a program to print hello world. So here's how you do. So let's so we downloaded a Ruby compiler. So here's the app, and then so the code for printing hello world is this. Kaning uban is uban ni na sample programs na mao sa ako sa ang sigisod og comment para di makaapekto sa code sa hello world sa atong iparan nga program. So done is run. Then mamantay kinahanglan ni input, so run dayon. So here's the output. So as you noticed, sa second line is wala ni next line ag pangaduha nga hello world. So here's the explanation. So the puts method stands for put string. It adds a new line after a string. And then the print method, so the functionality of this method is same as a puts, but it does not add new lines implicitly like puts. So mao lagi to. So aga atong gigamit na is pangaduha nga hello world is print man, that's why wa siya nagbutang og new line, that's why nagdikit aga tong hello world tani sa second line. So next Ruby program is a Ruby program to add two integers. So let's go back here and then just remove the comment na kuan, and ato na ni siyang i-cut. So in this program kinahanglan ta mag-input og two integers, then run input. For example, mag-add tag 5, then next line 5. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10, so dapat ang-output nato is 10. So it's correct. The sum is 10. I don't know why wala nakabutang na or wala na butang na gatong gi-input. Bawo sa compiler siguro ni. Putik. Nag-refresh. Balik. Compiler. So here's an explanation of this of the code. So adding two numbers in Ruby. So in this problem, we will find out the way to add two integers in Ruby. So the methods used are puts, which is katong mag-print sa atong kay katong mag-print, then gets na method, and to I. So ang to I na method is i-convert ni ang integer to i-convert ni ang string to integer, then kaning plus nga mathematical operator which accepts two numerical parameters and returns a numerical value. And the variables used are num1, num2, and sum. So, ang num1 is katong store sa atong first value, ang num2 is sa atong second value, and ang sum is katong store sa atong sum, which is the addition of num1 and num2. Then, third program is a program to calculate power of a number. Cut na nila to. And just remove. Then mag input tadanig, for example, is first input is base, then second is exponent. For example, atong base is 5, then ang atong exponent is 2. So dapat ang output dani is 25. So run. So correct, the power is 25. So here's the code. First is put, so nag-print enter base, then gets katong atong gets atong base, then puts enter exponent, then gets that atong exponent, then power is equals to base, then kanina operator, then expo. Puts the power is, and then katong at value sa atong power sa power. So here's the explanation. Power of a number in Ruby. So if we want to calculate the power of a number manually, then we have to multiply the base to itself by exponent times, which means that if the base is 3 and the exponent is 4, then power will be calculated as power is equals to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which result in 81. So the methods used are puts, gets to I and POW. So POW is a user-defined function which takes two arguments and returns an integer value. It is defined purposely for calculating power by taking base and exponent as an argument. And then, so money ang atong ang code. So that's all. So thank you for listening.